going to learn about a new chapter. Do you know which chapter it is? Yes, we are going to learn about subtraction. So for that, what you have to do? You have to first take out your book. Which book it is? Yes, this is your math book. So take out your math book. Then take out your pencil. Done? Okay, now open the page. Open page number 22. Yes, which chapter it is? Chapter 3. Name? What is it in here? Subtraction from 1 to 10. Now do you know what is subtraction? Subtraction means take away. Or you can say subtraction means remove. For example, suppose your mother have mobile phone. She have, right? And on that phone you play games. So many games you are playing on that phone. And on your mama's phone there are 3 gaming apps. Okay, you can play 3 games. And one day your mama what she have done? She have removed 3 games from her phone. So how many games she have now? Yes, only 1 game, right? Okay, now I will give you another example. Suppose you have what is this? Yes, this is an apple. How many apples? 1, 2. So, suppose you have 2 apples and from that your friend have eaten 1 apple. So, how many apples you have now? Only 1, right? This is called subtraction. Now we are going to learn more about subtraction, okay? Okay, now look at this. What is this? This is ice cream sticks, right? So how many ice cream sticks I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ice cream sticks. And I have to give 2 ice cream sticks to my sister. So I have given 2 ice cream sticks to my sister. Okay? 1, 2. I have given these 2 ice cream sticks to her. So how many ice cream sticks I have now? 1, 2. Okay, how many balls I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls? 5 balls. Now from these 5 balls I have to give 3 balls to my brother. So I have given 3 balls to my brother. 1, 2, 3. So I have removed 3 balls, okay? So how many balls left? 1, 2. So from 5, I have take away how many balls? 3 balls. So how many balls left? 1, 2. Okay, how many flowers I have in my garden? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flowers? I have 6 flowers. Okay, from these 6 flowers, my sister I have to give to my sister. How many flowers I have to give to my sister? I have to give 4 flowers to my sister. So what I have to do? I have to add more flowers? No. So what I have to do? whatever the number of flowers I have to remove the number of flower which I have to give to my sister. Okay, so I have to give how many flowers to my sister? 4 flowers. So if I remove or if I cut 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, then how many flowers left? How many flowers left? 1, 2 flowers. So from these 6 flowers, if I have given 4 flowers to my sister, and after that how many flowers I have? Only 2 flowers. Okay. How many kites I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 kites. Now what I have to do? I have to take away how many kites? 2 kites. Okay. I have to take away. I have 3 kites and now I have to take away how many kites? 2 kites. So what we have to do? We have to cut 2 kites like this. 1, 2. So how many kites I have taken away? 2 kites. So how many left? 1. I have 3 kites and I have taken away 2 kites. So how many left? 3 kites. Okay. How many mangoes I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mangoes. How many mangoes? 7 mangoes. Now I have to take away how many mangoes? Suppose I have eaten 3 mangoes. Among these mangoes I have eaten how many mangoes? 3 mangoes. So what I have to do? I have to cut the 3 mangoes. Okay. So I have cut 1, 2, 3. So how many mangoes I have now altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have now only 4 mangoes. Okay, like this we have to do these sums. Look here. In page number 22, what we have to do here? Count and write in the boxes. So can you see these apples? Yes. Okay, let's count how many apples we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write here 9 apples. Write 9. Good. And among these 9 apples, this boy have eaten 4 apples. Look, he have eaten these apples. Okay, so how many apples he have eaten? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples he have already eaten from this 9 apples. Okay, so write here 4. Then if he have eaten 4 apples from here, then how many apples he have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. So write here 5. Done? Okay. Come to next page 23. Now we will do this one. Okay. Okay, how many lollipops here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 lollipops, okay? And what we have to do? We have to add? No, we have to subtract. That means subtraction means take away. We have to take away 4 lollipops. I have written 4 lollipops. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to cut 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many left? How many lollipops have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, what is this? These are stars, right? So how many stars? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars I have? 5 stars. And now what we have to do? Yes, we have to take away. We have to take away how many stars? 3 stars. So for that what we have to do? We have to cut 3 stars, right? So let's cut it. 1, 2, 3. So how many left? 1, 2. So the answer is 2. From 5 stars we have take away 3 stars, and when we take away 3 stars, how many stars left? 2 stars. Okay. Now look here, we have written here take away. Take away means which sign? Take away means what? Subtraction, and the sign of subtraction is this one. This is minus, or you can say subtraction. Okay. Which sign is this? Minus. On previous class I told you about this sign. Which sign is this? This is addition or plus. And now today we are starting about which chapter? Subtraction. So the sign of the subtraction is this. This is called minus. Okay. Instead of take away we will write this sign. Which sign is this? Minus. Okay. Do you want ice cream? Yes. Okay, let's eat the ice cream. First we will count the ice cream. How many ice creams we have? Okay. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ice creams we have? How many ice creams we have? Yes, 5 ice creams, right? So now what we have to do? We have to take away. We have to eat the ice cream. You want to eat the ice cream, right? So how many ice cream you want to eat? Oh, 3 ice creams you want to eat. So for that what we have to write here? Take away. And how many ice cream you want to eat? 3. So how many ice creams we have to take away? 3 ice creams. And take away means which sign? Yes, minus. We have to put minus sign. Take away means minus. So if among these 5 ice creams, if we eat 3 ice creams, 1, 2, 3. So how many ice cream left? 1, 2. So the answer is. Okay, now I am going to show you another example. Okay, what are these? These are gifts, right? Do you want these gifts? Yes. Okay. First, let's count how many gifts I have. Okay. Then I will give you from here. So how many gifts I have? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 gifts, right? So among these 3 gifts, I will give you 2 gifts. So I have to take away how many gifts? 2 gifts, okay? So for this, what I have to do? We have to cut 1, 2. We have to cut 2 gifts. So how many gifts left with me? 1. So 3 take away 2 equals to how many? Yes, 1. We can write this in another way. How we can write? 3, instead of take away, we can use minus sign, okay? Then 2, instead of equals to, we use equals to sign. Then 3 minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, now we will do another sum. So we have written 8 because at first we have 8 bottles. Then we have given 4 bottles to our friends. Then how many? That's why we have written 4 here. So take away means minus. So we have minus how many bottles from 8? 4 bottles. So how many bottles now we have left? Only 4 bottles. Okay. So in this way, do the sums in your home. Okay. Now turn the page. Come to the next page. So what are these? These all are grapes, right? How many grapes I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 grapes, right? And from these 3 grapes, I have eaten 1 grape. So I have take away how many grapes? I have take away 1 grape. Take away means minus. So from 3, I have take away 1. So how many grapes left? 1, 2. So how this we can write in another way. What is the another way? First we have 3 grapes that we have, that's why we have written 3, and instead of take away we have used this sign, minus sign. Then I have written 1 grape, so I have minus. So what we have to do? So we have to minus 1 from 3. So that's why I have written here 1, and instead of equals to, we use the equals to sign. This is equals to sign, and when we minus 3 from when we do the subtraction, 3 minus 1, what will be the answer? 2. Understood? Okay. Now one thing we have to remember that when we subtract 1 from the given number, whatever the number is, if we subtract 1 from that number, the number which we will get is just come before the given number. Okay, so if I have 2 balls, okay, if I have 2 balls, for example I am giving you, if I have 2 balls, then I have given 1 ball to my sister, then how many balls I have? Only 1, right? I have only 1. So when we do before, what comes before? So on that time, what will come before 2? 1. That means when we subtract or when we minus 1 from the given number, the number which we will get is come just before the given number. Okay. Now for example, I am showing you another thing. Look, what is this? These are 3 different color ice cream sticks, right? So how many ice cream sticks I have now? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 different color ice cream sticks, and from these 3 ice cream sticks I have given this red color ice cream stick to my sister. So how many ice cream sticks now I have? 1, 2. Only 2 ice cream sticks. Okay. Now in this way we have to solve this question. What is written here? Subtract 1 and write the answer in the box. So 2 minus 1 equals to box. We have to count this. How we can count this? 2. 1, 2. Suppose we have to draw 2 balls, and from this what we have to minus? 2 minus 1. 2 balls we have drawn, and what we have to minus? Which number is this? 1. So we have to do, when we do the minus, we have to cut that number of balls. Okay. So here it is written 1. So we have to cut 1 ball. So how many balls left? How many balls left? Yes, 1. So that means 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Another question. 10 minus 10 minus 1 equals to box. So how many pictures we have to draw? We have to draw 10 pictures. So let's draw the pictures. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 balls, right? And what we have to do here? We have to add another ball. No, we have to cut 1 ball. Why? Because we are doing minus. And which number we have to minus? How many numbers we have to minus? 1 number. So we have to cut 1 ball. So now we have how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many balls we have now? 9 balls. So 10 minus 1 equals to 9. Understood? Now this all you have to do in your homework. Okay? Now okay, in previous class, that means in chapter 2, I told you about 0. What is 0? 0 means nothing. Okay, so in this chapter also we will do subtraction with the help of 0. Okay, so 0 means nothing. So suppose my friends have given me 3 ice cream sticks. How many ice cream sticks? Count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have given these 3 ice cream sticks to my sister. So how many ice cream sticks now I have? I have any ice cream sticks? No. That means nothing. I have nothing in my hand. So that means 0. Okay, so I have given 3 ice cream sticks to my sister. Now I have nothing in my hand. That means I have 0 ice cream sticks, right? So today we are going to do sums with 0. Okay? What is this? These are flowers. How many flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers? 4 flowers, right? So what we have to do? We have to minus. We have to subtract. So I have 4 flowers and my sister have given me nothing. I want from sister, I told her to give one more flower, but she have no flowers, so that's why she have given me nothing. So nothing means, is there anything? No. So nothing means 0. Okay, so that means I have already 4 flowers and I asked my sister to give me another flower, but she have nothing, so that's why she can't give me another flower. So when we add any number with when we subtract any number with 0, the answer will be same. That means I have 4 flowers and she have given me nothing. That's why I have how many flowers now with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have only 4 flowers, like this. Okay, what are these? These are shapes, right? Which shape is this? Yes, triangle. So how many triangles I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. So from 6, I have to minus 0. So I have to find out the answer. So I have 6 triangles and my friend have given me nothing, no triangles, 0 triangles. So how many triangles I have left now with me? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have only 6 triangles. Yes? Okay. Now another one. Show you another one. 5 minus 0 equals to dash. So which number is this? 5. What sign is this? Minus. And what we have to minus? Which number we have to minus? 0. So 5 minus 0, we have to find the answer. Okay. So how many balls we have to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 balls, right? Minus 0 means nothing. So we have to draw more balls. No. Why? Because it is 0. 0 means nothing. So I have not drawn any balls. Okay. So how many balls now I have? All count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Whatever the number is given, if you subtract that number with 0, the answer will be the same. Okay. So let's do this question. Subtract 0 and write the answer in the box. So 6 minus 0 is equals to, what will be the answer? 6 minus 0? Yes, 6. 4 minus 0 equals to 4. 2 minus 0 equals to, yes, 2. Have you understood this? Very good. Now this portion you will do in your home. Okay? Okay. Now turn the page. Come to page number 25. Okay. What is this? This is number stripe. Okay. So on the previous day we have done this type of sums in addition. Now today we are going to do this same thing but little bit different from addition. Okay. Today we are also going to do the same thing in subtraction also. So in addition, what I told you, whenever you will do this type of sums, you always go forward, don't go backward, right? But when you want to do subtraction, don't go forward, you have to come backward. So backward means what? Piche jana, okay? And forward means aage jana. So whenever you will do subtraction in this number strip, you have to go backward, matlab piche jana hai, okay? And in addition, you have to go forward. So suppose you are standing in number 8, you are here in number 8 and you are doing subtraction, you want to come to number 1. So what we have to do? We have to go backward, right? Like that. So if the question is 3 minus 2, you have to find out this number 3 minus 2. So you suppose you are in standing in 3, you are here. So how many steps you have to take? 2 steps, not forward. In subtraction, don't go forward. In subtraction, you have to come backward. So from 3, why 3? Because the first number is 3, that's why we are in 3. Now we have to subtract or minus which number? 2. So we have to take 2 steps backward. So from 3, if you take 2 steps backward like this, 1, 2. So which number you are now in? Number 1. So when you subtract 3 from 2, you will get 1. Okay. I will show you another thing. Which number is this? 3. So how many balls I have to draw? 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. And how? Which number we have to take away or we have to subtract? 2. So what we have to do for that? We have to cut 2 balls, right? So if you cut 1, 2, 2 balls, how many balls left? Yes, 1. And we have got the answer already in this number strip? Yes. In this way we will do these sums, okay? Now if the question is 7 minus 4, you have to find out the answer. Now tell me, where is 7? Yes, it is 7, right? You are standing here. And which number you have to subtract? 4. So you have to go forward? No, you have to take back step. You have to go backward. So how many steps you have to take? 4 steps. So from 7, if you take 4 steps, what will happen? You will get the answer. So let's take the back steps, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are standing where? From 7, if you take the back steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the answer? 3. So 7 minus 4 equals to 3. Okay, got it? Now look here in page number 25. What is the question? Use the number line to subtract. Write the answer in the given box. We have to use this number line, okay, and find out the answer of the given question and write the answer in, and we have to write the answer in this box. So first question is 5 minus 2. So if I show it here, 5 minus 2, right? Our question is 5 minus 2. So where we have to put the pencil first? Yes, in 5. Why? Because 5 is the first number, right? So we are standing here 5. We have to go forward? No. So what we have to do? We have to go backward. How many steps? 2 steps. Yes. 1, 2. So what will be the answer? 3. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Okay? Understood? Now rest of the work you will do in your home. Done? Okay. Now come to the next page.